Attribution platform.
That helps you to know exactly where your revenue came from,
Even when sales happen offline.
so we are going to dive into it immediately.
I already have an account.
So I'm not going to get started
I'm
again.
just going to log in for the sake of this demo. This is my business email, budget stores, and the password I'm going to sign in. So I'm back, as you can see.
This is my dashboard budget store,
Revenue proof. We have the overview here.
which actually shows you everything you need to see.
Here is your net revenue, the real money that you have.
Your confirmed revenue, this is the total.
Then these are the refunded. These are the unattributed.
We've actually tested some top source. This is where you see the top place your revenue is coming from. And it's coming from Snapchat,
Facebook, and then the top influencer is Mr. Beast. For this demo, we are going to create a new source and a new campaign to test it. And to understand the flow, I'm using Naira.
You can actually switch currency to whichever country you are,
to fit the country that you're in. So we're going to dive right into it.
The first thing to do is to go to the campaign. As you can see, the first place we have source. The source is the channel.
So the source is like the place.
The revenue is coming from this is a TikTok.
We are going to change the source.
And we are going to create a new source, Instagram.
Ads OU ad source. The source is created. You can see Instagram down here.
We just added this now. We added all of this today. That's why you can see it's added
Today's
today.
date now, you can go to campaign.
Switch to campaign and we'll create
We
a
already
campaign.
have Valentine job. So let's create a campaign.
Let's call this Halloween.
I'm going to choose the Instagram source for this campaign. And then create.
So now we have a Halloween campaign.
The source is from Instagram and the date created. So I'm going to add another influencer. To add influencers, what you do, once you've spoken to the couple of the influencers you want to add to this page. And then you can add the influencer. You're going to add a new influencer, let's say Dave. The username will use Dave Gary.
Fitness. So create an influencer.
Influencer was created, and this is the influencer
Here's
created.
the list of all our influencers. So now you get to the link page. You open the link and you create the link.
This link is very important because
Is
when
the
you
link
create
that
this
you're
link,
going to share or use to create the
if
ad.
you want to run an ad on
Is the
TikTok,
link
that you're going to
if
use.
you want to run an ad on Instagram, you use this link and you give influencers this link. If you want to track revenue from any influencer or any source, so the first thing to do is to create the slug.
We're just going to write Halloween and for the slug. Then the destination URL is where you want the ad to go to. So where do you want your ad? Do you want it to go to your store? Do you want it to go to your DM? Do you want your WhatsApp DM? Or Snapchat? Or your Instagram?
You just put the destination here.
And it's going to go to that particular place you want it to go to. So we're going to use an Instagram. You have added the destination URL, which is the DM.
And then attribution tags. You choose the source. Which source are
You're
we
using Instagram, the campaign we set Halloween. We're going to use Halloween and then the influencer. We created a new influencer, Dave Gary, and then we create the link. So this link is created now, and the time you click this link, it's going to, once you open this link, it's going to count on the events, and then the link is actually tracked. Once I continue to open this link, I've clicked it twice. So let's come back to the page and check the events.
And once you check the event is actually a place to track clicks of every influencer or ad.
So all these tracks were from 1 hour ago. It's still redirecting, so once you redirect, it's going to reflect here now.
Yes, you can see 3 seconds ago. It's just going to show you the influencer and the reference code. This code is actually uniquely generated for every click that you get.
If we go back and we click this link again.
Let's open the links. If we click the link again, view links.
It's going to generate a new code.
And it's actually taking us to the DM of Selena
Because that's
Gomez.
the destination URL that we chose. You can put your business link. So we go back to events and you can see it's going to auto refresh. "20 seconds ago now, we have 3 clicks from here.
What we're going to do now is these 3 clicks. They are not payments yet, so once they become payments, anybody that actually click from this particular clicks, anybody that decide to pay,
We will console the payments here. So once you get here, you can if the payment is made online
on your bank app on your store.
It's going to automatically reconcile it, and then it's going to show you the place that the payment came from. But then if the payment is made to your bank,
it happened outside your website, then you have to upload your CSV file. That's your bank statement. And then it's going to reconcile the payment and show you where the payment came from.
You can also link your bank account to the app so that you actually get easy
You
flow.
don't have to download your CSV,
your bank statement, and then
for it to help
you
you
to attribute where each revenue came from.
So we are going to be doing it locally because this is
I'm
the
going
test
to
node.
choose a file now, and then upload it with the code that was generated. Upload our CSV file. This is the current net.
So we are going to assume that the clicks that we had,
this click that we had 7 minutes ago,
8 minutes ago, these
we are
3
going
clicks.
to assume they actually decided to make their
So we are
payment.
going to upload our bank statement.
We are going to import that using the CSV bank statement using AI. I'm going to import it now.
And now you can see CSV imported 3 attributed.
0 unattributed because we had 3
and it's going to
show us here in the revenue. Now we have 609,000.
And the top source is still the Snapchat.
But then we have the new influencer here, Dave Gorey, who brought 105,000 refreshing to get all payments. And then flow. I'm going to log out now. This is just a short video of how it works. I'm going to go into the details in other videos. This video is long enough.
We need it to end on 15 minutes.